Okay. First of all, good morning to all of you. Mm, I am Sudhanshu Behra. I welcome you to our new math class on Elimination Parsala. Today's topic is determinant. Today we will see how a determinant came where where a determinant came, how we get, how we find a determinant of a question. Okay, equation. So let's start. What is our topic here? Our new topic is determinant. Okay, our new topic is determinant. Let let's consider two equation. Let's consider two linear equation. To consider two linear equation. What is a1x plus b1y uh, plus c1 equal to 0, equation 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 is equation 2. Both are linear equation. Now we have to find the value of x. So the value of x, the value of x can be calculated by any method that you learned on class 10, maybe cross multiplication or elimination method. That I choose elimination method. Okay, by any method suitable to you, that is cross multiplication, elimination or elimination method. Here I go for elimination method. Okay, now how can we eliminate? We should first we eliminate one variable. That is let first we find out the value of x. So we eliminate y variable. How can let's say multiply. Let sorry here not let here multiply b2 with equation 1, then the new equation will be b2 a1x plus b1 b2 y plus c1 b2 is equal to 0. Let it is equation 3. Okay, now we multiply b1 with equation 2. Now new equation will be b1 a2x plus b1 b2 y plus c2 b1 is equal to 0. Let it equation 4. Now see, we got two equation. Now let's see these two value, this and this. Both are same, both will cancel out. Now what we will have? We will have b2 a1 minus b1 a2 x is equal to c2 b1 minus c1 b2, isn't it? Now take this side to this part. Okay, then what will have? Now x is equal to, now x is equal to c2 b1 minus c1 b2 divided by b2 a1 minus b1 a2, like that, like that. We will calculate the value of y, the value of y, and it will be c2 a1 minus c1 a2 divided by b2 a1 minus b1 a2. Okay, here let's see these two. Let's observe. Let's take a look on both x and y value, both x and y value. Here b2 a1 minus a1 b1 a2. Here also b2 a1 minus a1 b2. So if the solution x and y exist when this denominator and this denominator both are not equal to 0, isn't it? Both are not equal to 0. Hence, so b2 b2 a1 minus a2 b1 determine the value of equation 1 and 2. This, hence it is called, hence It is called determinant. But determinant. Who determine is called determinant. Determinant of equation 1 and 2. Isn't it? Yes. This determinant, this determinant, determinant specially represented by like that. Here a1, a2, b1, b2. Now multiply this a1, a1, b2. Okay, here a1, b2. If we multiply this b minus b1, a2, b1, a2. If name this determinant as any variable. I choose a. Okay, here this is called a determinant of equation 1 and 2, and its order is 2 cross 2. Its order is 2 cross 2. For three equation, for three equation, right, a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 equal to 0, a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0, a3x plus b3y plus c3 equal to 0, then the required determinant will be a equal to a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. This is the required determinant of these three equations, and it determines the value of these, the solution of these equation, whether the solution exists or not. Okay, let's finish our today's lecture. We'll again meet on tomorrow with a new way and new content. On next class, we will discuss about a cofactor, minor, and the value of determinant. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good night. Thank you.